Hey guys, Mitch McFall again over at Feldman Chevrolet of Highland, coming back here with another fresh trade-in. We just got a 2020 GMC Sierra with only 8,000 miles in. It's got the 6.6 liter Duramax engine with the Allison's trans. The thing's brand new. We're about to take it for a ride along, just see how it goes. All right, so I mean, this basically would just be for, someone that's, has a camper to take up north, pull a horse trailer. I mean, it can be used for a work truck. I mean, it's fully loaded. I mean, it's an absolutely beautiful truck. Only 8,000 miles on it. I mean, it's got a long life ahead of it. The Allison transmission's bulletproof. I mean, it's definitely worth come take a look at. You got the heads-up display, which is actually adjustable. So depending on how tall you are, you can drop it down a little bit, or if you need to raise it up to see it a little better. That way you can actually keep your eyes on the road and not have to veer off at all. I mean, this thing's pretty impressive.